this is Katie with Fulfilled Passport Travel. We're going to do a room tour and property tour of the Cadillac Hotel and Beach Club in Miami Beach. And here we have the closet. There's an ironing board, some drawers. At the very bottom is a safe. So it's a nice little tucked away hidden spot for the safe there. Now this isn't in the action of South Beach, but you can walk to South Beach just over a mile along the boardwalk. So they have this little bar cart here. There's a miniature fridge in there. Nothing came in it when you check in, but you can use it. In this drawer, we had one glass. I feel like there's supposed to be two, but there was only one when we got there. Bottle opener or wine opener. You have the coffee pods, so you can make your morning coffee right in the room. The ice bucket, you can purchase those mixers. They do cost extra. I did like that there was a separate recycling bin. We're going to go back to the bathroom, which was right to the left as soon as you walk in. It had a very nice design in the bathroom, and I liked how they provide shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. There was a loofah there, a nice big rain shower head in the shower. Some cute wallpaper, kind of tropical theme. There's your hair dryer. They had some extra little amenities, the shower cap, a nail file, a comb. So you don't always get those types of things. Well, I really love the lighting in this room. So with this mirror, you could turn on and off that backlight. Same with the bed, you can turn on and off the under the bed light and the back light, and there's tons of plugs. As you can see here, you could use this as a desk. You can lounge outside the window. We were not beachfront, so we did not have a beach view, and there was construction on the road, so it wasn't an interesting view, but I do love all the plugs, the USBs, the regular plugs. There's a switch on the bed there for that backlight. So this was the king size room. Nice storage on the nightstands as well. So this was getting off of the elevators, just coming to our room. So we kind of faced the entrance of the building. So not much of a view in room 623. This is just outside the restaurant. This is the bar, kind of lounge area. This was another little seating area. I didn't see anybody using it, but it was a quiet little hidden spot. They do have this little business center if you needed to print something out or check email. These were just extra bathrooms. Then we're heading to the gym, which is on this main level with the lobby. So they had lots of different machines in here. They have water fountains. So after this, we're heading back to the main lobby. I love the lights with those gemstones on them. They're very pretty. This is the walk from the beach. You're near mile marker 39. It's not that far. You do have to walk up the stairs if you want to take this entrance. There's another side entrance that you can access with a ramp. When you go up here, there's a nice deck with lots of seating, and you have that bar that also has food available for you to order. When you go up here to the right, this is the adults only pool and area with these cabanas. It was very windy that day, so nobody was actually in the pool. Here is the family pool area. It's nice and large. We did see yoga happening right here on this fake grass area in the morning. There's also the hot tub tucked in right at the side. And then out at the beach itself, there is a resort fee at this hotel, $35 a day. That gets you 2 beach chairs. You can rent bikes for a few hours. So just be aware of that extra price and let me know if you would want to stay here and I can get you set up. Check the link in underneath the video.